Do you know that imagination is the first step to success? Basically, imagination is the portal through which you can transcend the imposed limitations of this world. Whatever you imagine, it can become real. So if you want to increase your imagination power, then this video is for you, because in this video, we are going to tell you some tips that will help you to improve your creativity and imagination. Let's get started. Number 1. Read more. Creativity and imagination are sparked by learning. So, read as much as you can. If you are new, then start by story type books and slowly start reading biographies to get a hang of how the great people used to think. Number 2. Spend time with people who are creative. Synchronize your energies by spending time with people who share the same interest as you and who are creative. Brainstorming, planning, or simply talking to such people will give creative juices running and will give you fresh and new ideas. Number 3. Meditation. A well-rested mind is highly creative and imaginative due to its calmness of it. There are various types of meditation that you can do. To know more about it, click on this right side of the corner. Look at the things differently. This approach will trigger new ideas that you once thought were not possible. So, start looking at things differently while looking, ask yourself questions and try to solve them. So these were some tips that will help you to increase your imagination power. For more such content, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Until then, goodbye.